Number 4 is the official FLSUN SR 3D printer. In today's fast world of dentistry, where precision and efficiency are paramount, the FLSUN SR Super Racer 3D printer reigns as the champion for creating dental models that truly shine. This cutting-edge machine is like a high-speed superhero, equipped with mind-blowing features that will leave you in awe. With its 3-axis linkage technology and lightning-fast printing speed of up to 200 mm per second, this 3D printer zooms past the competition, slashing printing time by a staggering 200%. Say goodbye to waiting around and hello to instant gratification. But speed is not its only superpower. The SR Super Racer boasts a generous printing size of 5260x330 mm, allowing you to bring your wildest dental creations to life. Its high-precision linear rail guide ensures impeccable accuracy, stability, and whisper-quiet operation so that you can focus on the artistry of dentistry. Thanks to the printer's resume printing function, there is no need to stress about power outages or interruptions. To top it all off, the removable lattice bed with its filament-friendly coating guarantees excellent adhesion and easy model removal. It's like having your own dental magic carpet ride. If you want to buy the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box to purchase it.